The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, 25% of 6249 alternative method. In the earlier exercise, we found out that 25% of 6249 and we got the answer as 1562.25. What did we do at that time? We converted the 25% into fraction. That means it became 1/4. And then we converted the number 6249 into fraction. That became 6249. And therefore, we multiplied the numerators and multiplied the denominators and got the value as 6249/4. We used the 6249 as the dividend and 4 as the divisor and got the result as 1562.25. Now, when the child is familiar with multiplication and division process, sometimes there may be possibility to apply shortcuts too. Now, in the number 6249, when you take 1/4 of this, that means the entire number should be divided by 4. Now, sometimes the child may look at 624, which is divisible by 4. Instead of going for a 4-digit division problem, the child may go for a 3-digit division problem when the child is sure that the first 3 digits are divisible by 4. Let us see how that happens. Now let us set 624 in the dividend and then set 4 as the divisor. As the divisor is smaller than the highest digit of the dividend, we have to skip a column and set the quotient. As there is 1/4 in 6, let us set that by skipping a column to the left of 6. Now let us subtract 4 from 6 and we are left with 224. Take the first 2 digits of the 224. You have 5 fours in 24 and therefore let us set 5 to the right of the already existing quotient 1. Now 5 multiplied by 4, which is 20, that should be subtracted from the 22. Now you get the remainder 24. Now there are 6 fours in 24 and therefore you can set 6 there and subtract 24 from the abacus. So what you have got, by dividing the first 3 digits by the dividend, you got 156. You have to note that not all the times you get numbers like this when you have the first 3 digits of the number which is divisible by the dividend. It is possible. So that is why whenever such opportunities are available, you can think of applying shortcuts too. Now the child can treat 9/4 as a separate division. How many 4s are there in 9? There are 2. That means you have 2 1/4. What you can do now, you have 9/4 which is equal to 2 1/4. What you have to do, you have to simply place that number at the end of 156 to the right of 6. Please note that you are simply placing the number and not adding the number. Adding has different connotation. So you simply place the number, which will become 1562 1 by 4. That is 1562.25 when you convert the fraction 1 by 4 into decimal. Therefore, you can apply a shortcut and find out the value which may be convenient for the child. Similarly, you can apply this principle for 2 digits too, but the child should be very clear about what value you get by breaking the numbers into different parts. Well, we have demonstrated in this the different options available in finding out the percentage of a given number, and the right option should be left to the discretion of the child.